Barkha Agrawal. I've started my own company, Ridan Retails. It's a company which deals in kids' product, and I'm the founder of it. And I'm working on that startup. So I'm the student of the first batch of the digital marketing and strategy planning of IIM Nagpur. The main reason of joining this program was, as I was in startup phase, I wanted the management fundas so that which I can implement in my business. And every learning in every sessions of that program is helping me in taking the decisions of my startup. This was perfectly planned for the ones who are starting a new business, so that the pricing strategy which is being explained, the bundling facility. So this program has helped me a lot in setting up my business. The faculty here is very experienced in their own field, and the best thing about them is they are ready to help us even after these sessions. You can just mail them, message them, call anytime for the help for your query, and they are always ready to help it. This is what we want. Normally we don't get this facility in schools also. Once teachers are in after the school, next day only we'll have to approach them, but here you can approach them in any point of time. Even after their busy schedule, they are ready to help you at any point of time. As per about the batch, every student in this batch has at least 5+ years of experience. Most of the people have 14 years, 12, and are located at very esteemed positions. So every person's experience is also helping us in developing the fundas which we can apply in our business. The program timing was perfect, like the Sunday, everyone gets it free, and the 6 to 9 is the timing which normally anyone can take out. The timing is not flexible, of course, it's been fixed though, but then it helps you to be mentally prepared for that, and it's a timing which you can definitely derive it from your busy schedule if you are really looking forward to groom your career with this. Initially, when we inquire now, we are a little confused whether we should join, we should not join. But it was the Jaro people who counseled us and who made us realize that this program can really help us in grooming our skills. And this is what it happened. So thanks to Jaro team that they made us join this program and helped us in grooming this thing. And not for just this, even if we are having friends, it's because of Jaro only, because they made us realize that we really need to do this.